Hello and welcome to the Power of BI channel. And in this video, I'll be going through some advanced level TSQL statements and topics. And in this video, I will be going through implementing error handling in TSQL. So we can use the functions related to errors and throw statements that what has caused some error and what has done. So so let's get started with error handling. As we know that error is indicates a problem that halts the operation of the execution of the query. Error can be generated by SQL in response to the failure of the system level or query level or something. Whatever the causes are, every error is composed of some error number, error messages, or line number as well. So for example, if I sorry, select from sales LT products, and if I just run this query, is showing incorrect syntax near static line number 2. So it's showing the error number 102, a level number, state, line as well. So this gives an error related to um, the syntax of the query. So this is basically a type of error that is called system error. So any error related to syntax and all the stuff is related to system error. We can also have a customized error. We can also add a message to the error. Like for example, if something happens, then we can set up a customized message as well to show that this is the error that is more user friendly or system friendly, or the code mapping between the system and the backend database. We can simply do that. So what I'm doing is I'm creating a procedure that takes some input and gives an output as well. So remember, an output function or the output parameter in the stored procedure is ended with output keyword. So we're just checking and converting the entering the data taking as an input, and then giving size as an output. So this is the procedure that is created. Now we will execute this. So we will declare a variable size in inches, and then we'll run this procedure, inputting the size, the product ID, and getting the size as an output. Let's modify this and then enter this number and then execute. So it's showing error converting data type and varchar to numeric. So this is showing me an error which is causing the query to stop. So we'll do some modification in the procedure, and we'll keep the input output as the same, but we'll use some try and catch statement. This has been used in different programming languages like C# and Java and stuff. So we're using begin try, end try, begin catch, end try, end catch. So this means that it is showing me an error, and it will display some results as well. So if I copy this now and then paste this, the query will execute, but it will show me zero value. If you see the message here, it's saying an error has occurred. One row affected. This means that it's just displaying the value here, but it is actually what it's doing is whenever the error comes in, is it goes through the try, and then when the error comes in, it catches the error, prints the custom statement, and then sets the value somewhere so that the query is executed. Default value we can do as 1 as well. Like if we want to alter the procedure and run this and then execute this, it will display as a message as 1, and the message showing up as error. The code in the catch blocks handle the error and enable the stored procedure to fail gracefully. We can also capture what error is shown. So if I alter a procedure and if I say add error number as well as the error message, there's a function called error message. There's a function called error number. So we are altering the procedure here and then running this query to show what is the message. So error number is 8114. Error message is error converting data type to numeric. However, this error message and error number is just showing me the specification on how we can handle the error message. So it's just try and catch we can use, and then this can be also uh, used to self manage the errors as well. So far we have tried, we've used try and catch to handle the, but if this data is connected or this database is connected to the client application, so for example, a multi-tier application design, a common practice is to handle exception in the data tier to log details for troubleshooting purpose and ensure the integrity of the database. So if you alter the procedure here, use try and catch, and then add a keyword called throw, and then execute this query, let's see what will happen. It will be displaying the error. It will be also be showing the error number, but is also displaying, um, and then it will rethrow this procedure, and it will halt the execution of the code itself. So this is basically basic error handling in the SQL application or SQL programming. We we can track the errors. We can see that what has caused some error because of the long lines of code. We can also use try and catch to handle all the errors together. So this is it from this part of the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.